Married. Well, sun's shining, got the day off work. What else can I do? Get out on the bike. It would be rude not to. So, just in South Shields, my hometown, just going to head down to the coast, hang a left, go along the coast road, through the town centre, and then I might head up either through in Newcastle city centre, have a little drive around there, or I might go up the coast through the Tyne Tunnel. Just don't know. World is my oyster this afternoon. Got nowhere to be, nothing to do, just to ride the bike, put some miles on the clock, and smiles on my face. So just over this hill, Marsden Bank, is the seafront. There you go, you can probably see the sea. Lovely part of the world. Gets a bad name at times, but I mean, look at this coast. You'll see in a minute or two just how nice it is. Just ignore the derelict building there. It was a pub. Obviously all pubs these days are dying a death. But rumours are it's going to be one of the supermarkets. Probably an Asda or Sainsbury's or something like that. But here we are on the coast. So if we turn right here, that takes up to Whitburn and Sunderland. A left here takes us to South Shields. We're going to go left. If you're not familiar with the area, every September, it might look familiar if you watch BBC One early on a Sunday morning, because this is the last leg of the Great North Run. One of those things that I've always said I wanted to do, and I'll give it a shot, but never got round to it. I did have a place one year, but I got shin splints, so I had to pull out. Never really got back into it, so not my thing. But yeah, this is where the Great North Run comes along. The bottom of that bank, Marsden Bank, which we just come down, I think it's about a mile from there along here to the finish line. 13.1 or 13.2 miles, half a marathon. So I've heard that Marsden Bank on the 12th mile is an absolute killer on your legs, and then you've got another mile to go. So not for me. But yeah, South Shields coastline, way over there in the distance. It's a nice clear day, so you can see Tynemouth Priory. Way off in the distance, it can just make out possibly Blythe. I could be completely making that up, but I'm sure it is. But hey ho. Just approaching the New Crown roundabout, and we're going to turn right here. On a nice sunny summer's day, that pub, beer garden's always chocker. And there's the running man and his dog in the centre of the island. Straight ahead, we've got Gandhi's Temple, which was later turned into Coleman's Seafood Temple. One of the popular fish and chip shop chains in the town. South Shields, famous of course for its fish and chips, right on the coast. Now it looks like there's a few coach loads of tourists in. Do get lots of them. Marsden Rattler, or just the Rattler. It was originally the Marsden Rattler. I don't know if you can make it out there, the old train carriages. Dating back to the heritage of the coal mining era. And just up over there on the left was Westoe Colliery, big pit. But in the early 90s that closed down. Sneak through, joys of being on a bike here. Get right to the front. There we go. So yeah, just on the left there, Marine Park. That's where they hold all the summer concerts. Have big names playing in the summer. Not sure who's playing this year, but had all sorts. I'm sure Jason Donovan was there last year. Could be Shane Ward this year. Superstar. South Shields lad Joe McElderry played 2010, just after his X Factor success. I didn't mind me mate crossing just here, but he jog our other road there. Aye, so Joe McElderry, famous from this town, he played there. It's always a free concert, so tens of thousands of people attend. It's a great atmosphere and it's great for the town. So this along here is Ocean Road, where you can probably see it's full of lots of restaurants. Majority of them Asian restaurants, Indians, but there's a few Italians, a couple of burger places now I think. But yeah, this has all changed over the years. Straight ahead there on King Street, don't know if you can see it, the cars in front, but this used to be bustle and nightlife years ago. Roxanne's on the corner, don't even know if it's still open, probably not. Just at the top of this road we have South Shields Town Hall. Excuse me. Which, to be fair, for a small town, got quite a nice grand town hall. This is all part of it here on the right. This is the new part. The old part round the front, the tower is. See if you can see it. There it is, look at that, all its glory. The gym group there, that used to be the best nightclub in the region, in the northeast. Like 20-30 years ago. Used to get busloads of people coming from all over the place to go there. Liverpool, Manchester, Sheffield. It was renowned for its nightlife. There's a famous video on YouTube from November 1995. It was a Thursday night, and I know this because I was there, when QFX played there live. What a night that was. But nowadays, as with most hospitality bars, clubs, it's now gone and it's been turned into a gym. So just heading out of the town now. Still undecided as to where I want to go. Tyne Bridge into Newcastle, Tyne Tunnel up the coast. And to be fair, if we do the Tyne Tunnel and going up the coast, have a neutral route. And then head along the coast road into Newcastle city centre. That's always an option. So watch this space.